The 34th Evergreen Annual Partnership Conference is just around the corner. In preparation of this year's event, the Evergreen leadership encourages our members and preferred suppliers to invite more of your customer-facing team members to be part of this exciting event. Your team members will expand their knowledge with professional development workshops led by 2 of our Ella instructors and hands-on outside product demo area. Strengthen relationships and gain preferred supplier product knowledge in the tabletop showcase meetings. Join the fun and competition in our first ever Founders Cup Golf Tournament to support Evergreen's Disaster Relief Fund. See industry-leading economic advisor, keynote speaker at General Session. Applaud those who earned distinction as 2022 award recipients. And celebrate another record-breaking year.
The Partnership Conference brings us all together. We're having fun, we're working, because that's what this business is all about, right? It gives us the ability to be face-to-face and all in the same room. The most important things is what happens before we get there, and certainly the day we walk out of there in terms of how we implement these plans. Come to the Partnership Conference prepared for those meetings, but most importantly, work those plans and challenge each other to work those plans when they walk out those doors and head back home, because that's when the real work starts. If you're prepared to do all that work and you show that over and over and over again, there's going to be more people that are going to want to meet with you, and it's going to grow because those success stories are going to ring through Evergreen. Then the synergy begins to be created from the Partnership Conference and the Planning for Profit meetings that take place, and it just builds from there.
We'll see you in San Antonio.